weather issues, especially in Delhi, the pollution has been something which has been on the headlines,
Yeah.
especially during the winter months.
Yeah.
How do you sort of, link it up if you're talking of building a climate narrative for India to pollution, to climate, and to overall, the net zero goal?
I think you can show that the solutions to both are the same.
Okay.
I think if you go the route of let's demonstrate that climate is it is exacerbating the problem. We know that. But that's quite a tough scientific argument to make. And I go back to this thing of let me show you one more graph. I don't need to keep showing you graphs. What I can do is say, look, electric vehicles will solve these things. Cleaner energy will solve this. How is diesel playing in and all these sorts of things? I know there's a whole issue as well around farming, some of those practices. And so if you can link some of that together as well. But that isn't an area where I'm going to pretend to be an expert. But I think it's about showing that the solutions to these problems are similar. But again, I come back to these kind of how do you get that narrative quite simple? And it's not a case of, well, let's solve air pollution and then get on to climate. It's like, how do we solve both these things at the same time?